A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Me know, nothing can make me God have love me. Me know, nothing can make me God have love me. Yeah, man. We never think about it yet. Think about it. And if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And of course, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, now at the best time, if you click the subscribe button, it now go cost you nothing. And the notification bell for make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from Paul letter to the Roman them chapter 8 from verse 28 to verse 39. We know say all the people will love God and where God called to take part in a plan. We know say God work with them to make sure say no matter what, everything work out to feed them good. Because the people where God picked even before he met the world, he marked them. He marked them for turn like him boy picnic. So that him boy picnic would have been the first out of all him picnic them. And the people where God mark, him call for be him people. And the people where him call, God put things right between him and them. And the people where God put things right with, God will make them more and more like him. So then, what we can say about all of this? If God there with we, who can come against we? God never tap him one boy picnic from suffer. Him give him up and send him for dead for we. No, if God give up him boy picnic for we, we not think him will more than give we everything else. Who can judge the people where God pick and say that they're guilty? A God one can judge people. A God one can put things right between him and people. So then, who can judge the people where God pick and say that they're guilty? Nobody. Nobody can do that. Jesus Christ, where he dead and come back alive. And who sit on a God right hand, I talk to God, and I beg for we. So then, what can make Christ Jesus top love we? If trouble take we and pain liquid, if we not no food, no clothes, nothing. If we suffer, sake of what we believe, if people threaten we, or even if they kill we, who no think said that mean Christ Jesus top love we? It right down in a God word say, cause we belong to you. People try to kill we all the time. Them treat we like sheep where they plan to kill. But no matter what or what we go through, Christ Jesus, the one we love we cause we feel more than win. Cause me know for sure, say nothing at all can make Christ Jesus top love we. It no matter if we dead or we alive, him not top love we. No angel, ruler, or power in heaven can tap him from love we. Nothing will happen now, and nothing will go happen. We make him tap love we. Me know for sure, say, nothing where they way up in the sky or where they under the earth can make him tap love we. As a matter of fact, not where God make, not at all, can take away the love where come from God and where Christ Jesus show we. And God wrote this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.